homemade pizza. It's only vegetables, scrambled eggs, garlic, and meatloaf, cabbage, and sliced onions, tomatoes. Mm. And pancake. I didn't make a dough. It's only pancake. Mm. What is this? It's wet flour, a little bit salt and sugar. Yes, and egg. Cover. This is corned beef meat, and then the egg and the mixture. My friend and pepper ketchup. Wala akong ano eh, hindi available ang. Oh, let's dip it over. Uy, wow. Sama na yung pancake natin. Guys, covered. Kasing kakain, hindi masyadong gusto ng ketchup. Wala tayong tomato sauce. And the cheese is not coming yet. Candy. Over and over.
Where's the pepperoni? Oh, we can add fine.
We wash spring onions. And cheese. Wala pang cheese. Tayo lang natin. Ang tagal-tagal pala. Oh no. Oh mayonnaise. What we can. What's happening?
I want the pepperoni on my pizza. Pepperoni pizza. An extra pepperoni. Pepperoni.
The mayonnaise is this. Okay. Yes. Yan na. Hindi talaga dumating ang cheese. Sinayin na natin ating mahiwagang. Yan. Sa plate. It's not a pepper. It's tomato. Let's flip over. Okay. Sa bahay lang to. Hindi naman talaga importante. Hindi nakarating ang cheese. Walang stock. Kaya mga mare, okay lang yan, pang bahay lang naman itong pagkain natin. Importante masaya kasi kinakain mo. Kasi pag hindi ka masaya, kahit mamahalin pa yung gano'n pa yun ka sarap yung pagkain, hindi ka masaya, wala din. Put some bunch of egg. This is scrambled egg. Like egg, and like pizza. Merciful. Singer pala. Ouchie. Yung mafran, effect ng mafran na to. Kung malaki yung lumalabas, pasensya na yan. Babe. Hindi updated. Hindi siya magano. Oh, may walang cheese. Ang salad dressing na lang para a little bit sweet siya. Yan. Sharo pa na. Be, cover. Ha? Ako ay nag-request ang bagets og turuan ko na may pepper. I put corn dip or only the meatloaf?
Corn dip and meatloaf.
Meatloaf. How about egg?
Egg.
Egg also? Spice? Tomato and
No tomato.
no tomato. How about the mayonnaise? Don't like it? This is your order? No pepperoni. Look at the paper. Pepper? Pepper.
It's like Mommy Pig order sandwich, but George make it very big.
Oh.
When I open it, it's hot.
Oh, it's hot. This is your order, sir.
Yung lawas mo yan. Garlic stick.
And the last one. Whoa. Okay, this is the last one. Oh. Hindi na ako nagmasa ng dough kasi ano lang naman. Hot cake, ginawa natin pizza. Iyan na, mga Marley. Mga healthy children kasi hindi yung pulong meat. Merong mga vegetables. Ayan, see? There's a bird. And spice, onions, tomatoes. And pancake. I didn't make a dough. It's only pancake.